Assalamu alaikum and good afternoon, grade 2. How are you all doing? Good? That's very great. Yes, I'm also good, Alhamdulillah. Thank you and welcome to your social studies class. So, in today's class, we will be talking about a new topic. We will discuss a new topic, and that is okay. So, I'll not be telling you the topic. I'll share the screen with you. There is this picture, and you are supposed to guess today's topic by looking at that picture. Okay? So, I'm just sharing the screen. Show me a thumbs up if it is visible to you or not. Okay, is this visible? Wonderful. So can you identify this? What is this? Well, Jane Doe, 67 Red Road, Town, Texas, 12345. What is this? Wonderful. It's a card of somebody, right? And what is this? 67 Red Road, Town, Texas, 12345. The address of this particular person. Very well done, Elise. Everybody clap for Elise. Okay, so it's the address of somebody, right? So the topic that we are going to discuss today is what is an address? So tell me how many of you know your complete address of your home? Yes. Raise your hands. Tell me how many of you know your address? Okay, Alize knows. Yes. Ahmed also knows. What about you, Abdullah? Wonderful. Yes, Sarah. Do you know about your address, complete address? Yes. Raise your hand, bacha. Okay, so everybody know. That's wonderful. Okay, so can you define me? Can you tell me that what do you understand by this term? What is an address basically? Okay, it basically tells us about where somebody live, right? Okay, what else? Do somebody wants to add something to it? So let's discuss it first, and then we will make a definition of it. Let's see, visit a doctor, and or let's say somebody tells you you are not feeling well, you are having a headache, and you discuss it with some of your friend or your family friends, and they tell you that there is this doctor and who sits over there, so you can just go and visit him, and you ask that can you please give me the address of the doctor, but they says that we don't have the address, we just have the phone number, please contact him and tell the address. Now the doctor will tell you the address of its clinic or the location, right? Now what would be the address of that? That address could not be of his home. Or we cannot say that an address can be only for the home. You see? An address can be a doctor's clinic. It can be a shop also have an address. A school also have an address. A university have an address. A city have a city also have an address. See, if somebody have never visited Karachi, so there is an address for that, right? That you're supposed to go there, then turn over there, you're supposed to go from that motorway, etc., etc., then you will reach the city. So a city also have, a country also has an address. We can say this. Why? This means that if you want to go somewhere, you want to communicate with someone, so what is an address for that, right? So similarly, we cannot say that an address can only be a home's address, that where I live, where you live, or where somebody else live. No, an address can be a shop's address, it can be a school's address, it can be a hospital address, everywhere, right? So whenever we meet someone, whenever we visit someone, so they give us a card. Let's say we visit a shop and we love their collection of the clothes, right? And we want to tell, let's say I visit a shop and I want to tell my friends about that shop as well. So I'll ask the shopkeeper that can you please give me your card. Now let's say it's a clothing brand. So when I ask them about their card, they will give me a card, and the card will look like, maybe it will look like this, that it's a card. Over here the description, first of all, they will, over here the name of the shop will be mentioned. Let's say the name of the brand is Cardi. Let's assume, okay, over here on one corner the contact information will be given, the contact number of person, let's say 0300 1234, etc. Over here, the name of the persons will be mentioned, who are the owners of the shop, and over here, the complete address of the shop will be mentioned. Let's say near X Plaza, opposite to this main highway, Sadar, right? And over here, they will talk about that what things you can find in the shop. Let's say they have all variety of women, they have all variety of children, they have all variety of toys, they have all variety of shoes. So whatever they have, now a card looks like this. Now in this card they have given the address of it. Now through this card you are getting basically a lot of information, not only about the address, who are the owner, what are the contact numbers, where the shop is located, and what they have. So this card gives you a lot of information. Similarly, there are address cards as well. And when we write, and an address cannot be written over here. We write our address in the letters. We write our address in the report. We write our address. Um, there are postal address. Let's say you want to send a post to somebody. Let's say we ordered something online, you give your address to them so that your order can reach at your place, right? So we do mention and we do tell about our address to many people. So that is why it is very very important to know that what is the complete address of your home, and all of you should know that, right? So that is why we are studying this topic. What is the importance of this topic? That address is very important. Similarly, let's say you went to another city with your parents, and there you sorry, and you don't know about that city, right? And you accidentally go somewhere where you don't know somebody, and you lost your parents. Now how can you communicate with them, or how can you tell somebody that from where you come? You can, your contact number now, because you don't have your cell phone, so you should be remembering your parents contact number at least once. You should know about your mother's phone number or your father's phone number, and if you know about both of them, it's very good, right? It's a plus point. Similarly, you should be knowing about your complete address. Now this is also very important, that you are not supposed to tell your complete address to any stranger. No, unless and until you are in a situation where this is important to tell about your address. Otherwise, this is not good, and you should not be sharing your address with anybody, right? So you lost your parents. Now how will they help you out if you don't know about your address? So you should know that what is an address, what are the things included in it. Let's say if I talk about my address, so I'll be saying that I lives in this colony, street number this, house number this, city, etc. Right? So this is my complete address. Now this is not the address that I live in, house number 372. This is not the address. I should be knowing what is the area, what is the street number, what is the house number, and what is the city. So this is the complete address through which somebody can find me out, right? So now after this, if we talk about the definition, if we create a definition of an address, so an address is a way to reach or communicate with someone. It can be a postal address, right? Or it can be postal address on which we send post, or it can be an email address as well, right? Through emails as well we connect with people, so it can be an email address as well, because through that as well we connect with people. On forms it is common to ask for someone's name, phone number, the personal, so that we can found that person easily, right? Okay, now I want all of you to please open your book page number 63 so that we can read what is written in your book about an address. Okay, so all of you have opened it, hurry up. Asad says, I live in the city of Rawalpindi. My house has an address, and an address tells you where a place or a building is, right? It basically tells about the location of something. An address usually contains the number of the house, the name of the street or the road. It also contains the name of the neighborhood and the town, city or village, and its postal code as well. Now, this is the proper way of writing an address. See, my address is 16A Garden Road, Model Colony, Rawalpindi 10050. This is the postal code on which you can send posts, right? So, this is very important to know your postal code as well. You can find my house on this map. When you will click on this, you can easily find the Asad's house, right? Now see how he has mentioned 16A. Now 16A is this area. What is the road? The name of the road is Garden Road. So this is also helpful for the person who wants to come over here. The third thing he has mentioned is this is Model Colony. Now the name of the colony is Model Colony, and the third thing is Rawalpindi, and the postal code is this. So the person can easily find the address because he has Asad has mentioned everything, right? And this is the proper format of writing your address or telling your address to somebody. So you can also find the house of my neighbor Zafar, who lives at 15A Garden Road. Now he lives in 16A, so who lives in 15A, you can easily find that as well because it would be in the neighbor of Asad, right? Okay. Now what I want you is, what is your class activity? Make a card, like I have made a card for you, or like the picture that I showed you in which a postal address was mentioned. You can make any shape, make a shape like this or any other shape, whatever you want to. Then write your name. Let's say if I write my name, it would be Umama. And then write your complete address. Let's say I write it as, I'll first mention the name of colony. It's Johar Colony, street number 4, house number 193 by 2, Rawalpindi, and then code that is 110503. Okay, so this is my address. Now you are supposed to make a similar shape and then write your complete postal address on it. Hurry up. Or if you don't know the complete of it, whatever you know, just write that and then show it to me. Hurry up. Yes, done. Show it to me. Wonderful. Okay, class, that was all for today. But we have learned about what is an address and why it is important to learn. So if somebody of you do not know your postal codes, do ask your parents today and then let me know that what are your postal address in tomorrow's class. Hope you guys enjoyed the lecture. Do share this video with others because it's free learning. I'll be seeing you tomorrow. Take care. Allah Hafiz.